So Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposits rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. Here the meaning of the cumulative bank account means money deposited into the bank at a regular interval, maybe per month, maybe per quarter. Okay. If he gets 5,590 as interest at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. That is the question. So how to solve it? That interest at the time of maturity, it is 5880. Okay, so it is a typing mistakes, whatever may be, it is 5880. So instead of 5590, keep it 5880. Amount deposited by Hanif, that is the 600 per month. What is the term? That is the for 4 years. 4 years means 48 months. 4 into 12, that is 48 months. So total principal for the 1 month, as you know, the same calculation procedure, x into x plus 1 by 2. So here 600 into 48 into 49 by 2. So it is coming 7,05,600. Now the rate of interest, that is R%. So rate of interest is not given over there in the question paper. So here we are assuming that R% per annum is the rate of interest. After that you put this formula PRT by 100. This is the formula for the simple interest. That 5880 will be is equal to this much. Okay, and you are getting by simplification method R is equal to 10. So rate of interest here will be the 10%. Come to the next question. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received 7725 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. So here deposit 300 per month for 2 years means 12 into 2, that is total 24 months. Amount received at the time of maturity 7725. So after that use this same formula to find out that total principal for 1 month, that is 300 into x plus 1 by 2. So you are getting here the 9,000 rupees. Now put the same formula PRT by 100. As you know that this is the formula to calculate the simple interest, and put the values and you will get R will be is equal to 7. So rate of interest will be the 7%. Come to the next problem. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited 2,500 per month for 2 years. Same types of sum. At the time of maturity, he got 67,500. So 67,500 will be the maturity amount. There are two questions are there. Question number 1, the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta, and Roman 2, the rate of interest per annum. Okay. So how to solve these types of sum? Amount deposited 2,500 per month into 24 months. Amount got, that is the maturity, 67,500. Right now put this same formula, either x into x plus 1 by 2 or n into n plus 1 by 2. You will get total principal for 1 month. So what is the interest? Interest will be maturity value minus x into deposit per month. Okay. So 67,500 minus as 24, 2 years into 2,500, interest will be 7,500. Period is the 1 month and 1 by 2 year, that is the use the same formula and you will get the rate of interest will be the 12%. Okay, come to the next problem. Saruk opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited 800 rupees per month for 1.5 years. If he received 15,084 at the time of maturity, so this is the maturity value. Per month deposited 800. What is the time? 1.5 years. Means the 18 months. So first calculate the total principal for the 1 month. You can use the same formula, 800 into n plus 1 by 2. You are getting that 1,36,800. After that use the same formula as simple interest, PRT by 100. So you will get 114R. Now use this formula, Px plus Si, P into X principal into that 800 per month into 18 months. So this much amount that person deposited into the bank, this is the maturity value. So 114R. After that a little bit simplification, calculate the value of the R, that is coming 6%. Such a easy problem. Come to the next problem. Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. The rate of interest 9% per annum and Rekha receives 441 as interest at the time of maturity. Find the amount of Rekha deposited in each month. Okay, here each month deposited is not given over there in the question paper. If you know the equation and for the one variable, unknown variable and one equation, you can easily find out the figure. So total of the number of month deposited here, n is equal to 20. Rate of interest is 9% given over there. Let the amount deposited by Rekha in each month be x. So P will be equal to x. Right now use this formula, P into n plus 1 by 2. Here the R by 100, use the same formula. Okay, so whatever may be the given, that the 441 is equal to, and you will get x is equal to 126. A little bit simplification, few steps are there. The amount deposited by Rekha in each month is rupees 126. Come to the next problem. That Mohan has a recurring deposit account in the bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he get rupees 1200 as interest at the time of maturity, same types of sum, monthly installment I have to calculate and amount of maturity I have to calculate. So if he get rupees 1200 as maturity, period is the 2 years, that is the 24 months, rate of interest 6%. So P is not given over there. So see, that is the P into either x into x plus 1 by 2 or by 12 into R by 100, or in place of x you can use the n also, n into n plus 1 by 2, the same thing. After that put the values, a little bit simplification. So here P will be equal to 800. So the amount of maturity 800 into 24 months, that is 2 years, plus 1200 as interest. So principal plus interest, maturity amount will be 20,400. Such a easy sum. Come to the next problem. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of interest 14% per annum in a recurring deposit account. Find the monthly installment. So consider P as monthly installment. 1 year means 12 months. Use the same formula, P into 12 into 13 by 2. For further calculation, 78 by P. After that use same simple interest formula, PRT by 100. Okay, so 78P into 14 into 2 divided by 100 into 12, you will get 0.91. Okay, so the amount of maturity, the PX into plus SI. So 6455 is equal to P into 12 plus 0.9 into P. So you are getting this. So with this calculation you can find out the value of the P. Okay, come to the next problem. That Samita has a recurring deposit account in a bank, rupees 2000 per month at the rate of 10% PA. If he gets 83,100 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. Here 2000 per month, that is given. Rate of interest 10% is given, and how many months, that is not given over there. Okay, so use first the principal for 1 month, use the same formula. Interest, okay, the same formula. After that, the maturity value, use the same formula as previously we have used. After that, a little bit simplification, and we will get the x is equal to 36. So 36 months means 3 years. You can take the screenshot also for this calculation. I am not going to details of calculation because this is just a middle term calculation. Okay, after that, this is a chapter test. Mr. Dhurab deposits rupees 600 per month in a recurring deposit account for 5 years at a rate of 10% per annum simple interest. Find the amount he will receive at the end, at the time of maturity. So here the amount deposited 600 rupees per month for 5 years means 60 months. After that, use the same formula. You will get total principal for 1 month. After that, use that same formula, PRT by 100. So amount of maturity will be 45,150. That is 600 into 60 plus that interest element. After that, come to the next problem, that Ankita started paying rupees 400 per month in 3 years recurring deposit. After 6 months, her brother Anshul started paying rupees 500 per month in a 2.5 years recurring deposit. The bank paid 10% per annum simple interest for the both. At maturity, who will get more money and how much? So here two cases are there. Case 1 Ankita and case 2 her brother Anshul. So Ankita come to the amount deposited per month 400. That is 3 years means 36 months. Rate of interest 10%. After that, use the same formula. Total principal for 1 month, n into n plus 1 by 2 into p. You are getting 2,66,400. After that, use same interest calculation formula. Interest is equal to PRT by 100. You are getting 222,220. So amount of maturity 400 into 36 plus 2220. In case 2, the same procedure, per month 500 rupees. Period is the 2.5 years, that is 30 months. Rate of interest is 10%. So for the principal value 500 into 30 into 31, the same calculation procedure. For the interest PRT by 100, same calculation procedure. So amount of maturity 500 into 30 plus 1937.50. So 16,937.50. So what is the difference? Difference is the this amount minus this amount. So the 317.50.